You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English together. Yes, it may look a little bit like sweets, okay, but that would be spelled S-U-I-T-E-S, a different spelling. This is the plural of the word suit, a suit that you wear. The plural of the word suit is suits, suits. It's also the verb, this suits you well, suits. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.